To assign exercises, go to the Exercises page and click on Assign Exercises. On the right, you'll see a summary panel of your assignments. Here, you can select students and view the exercises you've chosen. You can also minimize this panel to browse exercises more freely. Use the search bar filters and skill tabs to quickly find the exercises you're looking for. Click on an exercise to preview it before assigning. To include an exercise in the assignment, simply check the box next to it. You can add as many exercises as you want. Once you've made your selections, go to the Summary panel and click Assign Exercises. Review your selection, then click Confirm. The assigned exercises will immediately appear on your students' exercises page, where they can start practicing.